Hi, do you want to change the WordPress site URL to something else? My name is Slavi, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm assuming that you have a working WordPress site and also you're using a host that has WP-Cli installed. If not, you can download WP-Cli as shown here, and you need to make it executable. If you don't have root access to the server, then you probably won't be able to complete the installation, but you can still call that file and it's going to do the operations for you. Let's quickly create a test site. Let's check it. Here we're logged in automatically. So I've switched to SSH. I'm going to go to that site's folder. Let's check the code, the site, and everything is there. I'm going to check my notes, and the first step is to check what's the current address. And it shows that this one. Let's check site URL. It should be the same. Most of the time those two are the same, but if you have WordPress in a subdirectory, one of them will be different. So if you want to change this one, let's replace this one to something else. Let's replace it. Actually, I'm gonna make a note here, original. And I want to replace it to something else. I highly recommend that you start with the one with the www prefix and to point or to replace to the new one, and then do the naked domain replacement with a new site. That way you're not going to end up with both www and non-www links. Another good thing that WP-Cli offers is you can skip plugins and themes. We've noticed that sometimes some plugins don't work from the command line or when WP-Cli does something. Some plugins may crash. That's why it's important to skip the plugins and themes. And another benefit of that is it's going to be faster. Another thing is to use recursive objects. Means any serialized data will be replaced. Here, if you are running it from a different folder, you can specify the WordPress site directory using this parameter. If you're using multi-site, then you need to pass network. And it's always good to keep notes. That way you can always refer back to them at a later time. And also if you want to repeat the same process for another site. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it. And here I'm seeing zero replacement, which is normal. At QSandbox, everything is without the www prefix. Select the second one and go. And 3 replacements. So if I try to access the site right now, it's going to give me an error because right now it's not pointing to the right site. It's going to give me an error because the website link has changed. So I'm going to switch back, which is going to revert back the old link. Okay, so back. So I'm going to close that window and click admin link, and it should work fine. That's about it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. And remember, if you need a staging site, check out qsandbox.com. Bye.